The question of whether the chicken or the egg came first is an age-old philosophical dilemma that has puzzled thinkers for centuries. From a biological perspective, the answer lies in the process of evolution. Evolutionary theory tells us that species gradually change over time through the process of natural selection. In the case of chickens, they evolved from earlier bird species through a series of genetic mutations and adaptations. Therefore, the first chicken must have hatched from an egg laid by a bird that was not quite a chicken, but rather its evolutionary ancestor. So, if we define a chicken egg as an egg laid by a chicken, then the egg came first. This is because the genetic changes that led to the emergence of the modern chicken occurred during the development of the embryo inside the egg. The egg containing the first genetically identifiable chicken would have been laid by its non-chicken ancestor. Now, onto the question of whether an egg is vegetarian or non-vegetarian. The answer largely depends on one's personal beliefs and the definition of vegetarianism. From a biological standpoint, eggs are not considered meat. They are the reproductive structures produced by female animals, including birds, reptiles, and some mammals. Eggs contain nutrients necessary for the development of the embryo, including proteins, fats, and vitamins. However, some vegetarians choose not to consume eggs for ethical reasons. They may avoid eggs due to concerns about animal welfare, particularly in the case of factory-farmed eggs, where hens may be kept in crowded or inhumane conditions. On the other hand, some vegetarians do consume eggs, particularly those sourced from free-range or ethically raised chickens. They argue that these eggs do not involve harm to animals and can be part of a cruelty-free diet. In summary, whether eggs are considered vegetarian or non-vegetarian depends on individual beliefs and dietary choices. From a biological perspective, eggs are not meat, but ethical considerations may influence whether someone chooses to include them in a vegetarian diet.